Good. 2025 Phoenix. There's a couple different like hobby boxes. I think there's blasters of this. There's like this box, which is the hobby box, and then I think there's a preferred box or hobby box or something, right? And that one's only one auto, one none. So it's like a brown box if you see those out in the wild. Where you can find them, I'm guessing that just at stores, but well, here we go. Good luck. See what we can find. Oh, let me update this. 20. All right, pack number 1. Phoenix. Bashaw Tootin. Michael Penix, silver. Kyle Shanahan. This is new. They got head coaches in here now, which is different. Garrett Wilson and Caleb Wilson. Williams. Nothing crazy there. Pack number 1. Look for a silver Michael Penix. Second year. Kyle Monagai. Jaden Blue, silver rookie. For the Cowboys. Justin Fields, Thunderbirds. Insert. Not numbered. Sean Jackson and Micah Parsons. I think I remember seeing in the AI thing for the Jets. I think it just said like there was a couple. Dylan pointed out a couple flaws in the AI as well, but for the most part, it did a good job. But I think it was. Okay, it's the Jets. Okay, so it's a Jets. Justin Fields base. I thought that was kind of funny. Could be tweaked, but first up, is that Color Blast? Pretty sure that's Color Blast, right? We'll save this one for the end, eh? Pretty sure that's Color Blast. It looked like it to me, so could be good there. Ayo Manor, maybe rookie. Devon Vele, DeAndre Swift, AJ Green, Mark Andrews. So far, a lot of base. Other than the Color Blast, I guess. Abuka, there we go. Abuka rookie. Jordan Watkins, silver rookie. Contours, CD Lamb, insert. Dan Fotis and Tank Bigsby. Okay. Another silver rookie. First, why does this light keep going out? The heck? This on it. Sometimes if I have this, oh, this one feels a little thicker. Must be our RPA there, or our mem, just regular mem. Either way. Jackson Dart, rookie. Trevor Etienne for the Panthers. Number to 199, wave. It's parallel. Travis Hunter, Thunderbirds. This is a green parallel, number to 99 for the Jaguars. I don't know which group had the Jaguars, but nice one there for the Jaguars. Austin Eckler and Patrick Mahomes. Thunderbirds, Travis Hunter. Color match? Question mark? Are we calling that a color match? Kind of green, right? All right, so we had a couple packs at the start with nothing, pretty much. And then we have a pack with multiple numbered cards. So interesting. Keep moving that one down as we go. Save the suspense. Quinn Ewers, rookie, quarterback from Texas. Joe Burrow, silver. It was worth it. It was worth it, the trade. Christian McCaffrey, Thunderbirds. Insert. Baker Mayfield, Travis Kelce. We'll move this one off for now. Let's move this up here. It looked like a color blast. Maybe some nice cards here. All right, here we go. JT Tiamalau, maybe? Oh, Travis Hunter, green, auto. Sticker auto, number to 25. Who are the Jaguars? Now I gotta look. Jaguars. Group 7. Scott. Nice, dude. Let's go. Travis Hunter. Another green. Number to 25. Rookie auto. That's huge. Wish he was still playing this year, but what do you think, Scott? That's nice. That's a nice one there. Yeah, it is solid. That's solid. It's solid. Boom. All right. Continue on. Nick Martin. Will Howard. Steven. Careful. You got enough of these already. Silver for the Steelers. Terry McLaurin. Contours. Evan Williams. Saquon Barkley. You didn't get the Steelers, did you, Steven? Oh, I just set this pack down after the Travis Hunter. Ted Hendricks, David Montgomery, Jordan Brooks. Oh, both of these are thick. One mem, one RPA, probably. Let's go. Omarion Hampton, rookie. Jim Zorn, silver. Jaden Daniels, silver Thunderbirds. Or Prism. I guess just like all the other Thunderbirds. Plaxico Burrs. I don't know if I've seen him on product in a while. Jamar Chase. Marion Hampton. Pretty nice night last night. We'll put him in the old rookie pile. All right, let's see. Left or right? Which one do you think we should open first? And then we also have the color blast, it looks like. Left? All right, we're going left first. Scott's got the touch. We're going with Scott. He knows what he's picking tonight. He knows what we're doing. Here we go. It's a thick one. ETN. Let's go to the back first. Chase Brown. McCaffrey. Calvin Ridley. Silver. Kalen Bullock. And here we go. Flip it around. Oh, Jackson Dart. Trevor Etienne, rookie. Dart. Dual color patch, number to 199. Look at that. Pretty. Piece of the name or the number there, looks like. What are the Giants? These groups are throwing me off. Perfect. Look at that. Jackson Dart. We love that. Let's see. Who are the Giants? Group 3. Steven. There you go, Steven. All right. RPA incoming. 2 autos, 1 mem. We got 1 mem, 1 auto. Here we go. And that's a thick auto. Oops. See what we got on the back. Garrett Wilson, Kyron Williams, silver, Mike Hayes. And here we go. Michael Williams. Is this a 101? Look at that. 49ers patch. Michael Williams. No, number to 10. That is a nasty patch. Michael Williams for the 49ers, which is Group 9. 9. Benjamin. Let's go. There you go. That's mine, he says. He's calling it. Looks like 5 tackles as a freshman and Georgia's win over the Ohio State. 9th player taken, the 11th overall pick in 49. Oh, 11th overall pick in 49ers history. Huh. Let's go, dude. That is such a sick patch. The hits are coming out tonight. Look at that. RPA 49ers patch. Let's see, what's it say? Not from any specific game or event. Still, you're not going to find many 49ers patches. That's pretty cool. All right, we're not done. We're not done yet. Dylan Sampson, Texas running back. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Sean McDermott. There we go. Solid. Calvin Austin. Ooh, look at that. Jared Goff. It's like Prism or like Phoenix logo, number to 149 for the Lions. Cool one. And what do we got here? Think we got a color blast. Good luck, everybody. John Elway. Color blast. There we go for the Broncos. We got the Broncos, Group 4. Ryan left, or he's not in here. I don't remember if he was here. Hey, we'll take a John Elway color blast. Pretty sick. Boom! What a box! Holy cow! For real. 2 pretty nice boxes tonight. I mean, we had 5 autographs. Yeah, right? That'd be funny. All right, let's see. Let's go over some mids here. I'm gonna move this one over here. All right, some of the inserts, contours, CeeDee Lamb, Terry McLaurin, Thunderbirds, Daniels, McCaffrey, Justin Fields. Our base rookies here, some of the notable ones: Jackson Dart, Omarion Hampton, Abuka. Jared Goff, Phoenix logo, number to 149. Travis Hunter, number to 99. Trevor Etienne, number to 199. Some silvers: Will Howard, Jordan Watkins, Jaden Blue. And then where do we start here? Jackson Dart, 2-color rookie patch, number to 199. Let's see. Which one do we do first? I don't know. Probably John Elway. John Elway color blast. Awesome. For the Broncos. And then Travis Hunter, rookie auto to 25. Michael Williams, RPA to 10. Crazy. What a box. What a box. Let's put all the numbers here too. Like, oh, I can't see that one, can you? What a box. Sheesh. I think I can get more of these, so if you guys want, you can. I'm gonna try and snag up some Topps Chrome Update baseball too, but sometimes these are hit or miss. Like you could have a bad box and like, so like I only bought one of these to break. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Like when you have boxes like this, obviously people will join the next one no matter, because it's really good, right? But um, I don't know. It's weird. They're so expensive. Like these boxes are over $300, so I don't want to get stuck with one. Not stuck, but like have to lose money on them. So I like to open at least one break with you guys, and then see what we got when I go from there. Maybe find another good deal on them. So, all right.